Hi everyone, it's Rachel and today I'll be showing you how to make a kawaii pot of gold using the supplies I received in the 2016 August Sophie and Toffee subscription box. The theme for this box was OMG Slime Squish, so I'll firstly show you all the things that were included. So inside there was a list of everything that we received as well as a hint to what the next subscription box will be themed around. This box included 2 cat postcards, 2 trinket boxes, a squishy fruit keyring, a slime making kit, stickers and info, and some puffy air dry clay. I'll leave all the information about Sophie and Toffee down in the description box below for you to check out. So firstly I'm starting by making the pot out of air dry clay, which in comparison to polymer clay is very light and fluffy. I rolled some of this into a large ball and then shaped and smoothed it all out with my fingers until I was happy with the shape. Next I rolled out a coil of the air dry clay and attached this around the top of the pot to make the rim. For the handles on each side, I rolled out a thinner coil and attached each of those on too. Then for the feet, I rolled out 4 balls of clay, attached them on the bottom of the pot, and then pressed it down to make sure they were all flat and secure. I then left my pot overnight to dry completely and then painted the whole thing with 2 layers of paint, letting the paint dry between each layer. For the kawaii face, including the eyes and mouth, I used white acrylic paint and applied this on using a dotting tool. I then also added some cheeks using some pale pink paint. I then let the paint dry before covering the whole thing with a layer of glaze to seal it. Next, moving on to the slime, I took the 2 packets of liquid from the kit as well as a mixing cup and mixing stick. I cut the corner off the clear liquid packet and poured it into the cup. And then all you have to do is add the metallic gold liquid bit by bit and mix everything together until you're happy with the consistency. When I thought mine was about right, I scooped it out of the cup and mixed the last bit together with my hands. I then decided to add some gold glitter to my mixture just to make it extra sparkly and shiny, and then I gently massaged it all together. And then that's pretty much it for the golden slime. It feels super squishy and very relaxing to play with. I also added some to my pot to make it look like a pot of gold. When you're finished with the slime, you can then seal it in a bag to help it last and not dry out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more fun videos, Check out all the information in the description box, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!